Today is Wednesday, May 25th, 2022. It's 11 a.m. and I'm calling Lapeer County, Michigan Prosecutor John Miller's office to find out how he could sabotage my 2.5-year quest to get a jury trial by sabotaging my vehicle and making it impossible for me to make it to court, and then swearing out a warrant for my arrest. Let's see if Becky's going to let me speak this time.
You have reached Lapeer County. For animal control, press 1. If you have been subpoenaed to appear in court, press 2. For paternity division, press 3. For the prosecutor's office, press 4.
Prosecutor's office, can I help you?
Hi, ma'am. Who's this?
This is Becky.
Hi, Becky. I missed court. My car failed, and I missed court, and I have a warrant out for I found out I had a warrant out for my arrest, but I haven't gotten any documentation sent to me, and I moved, and I'm trying to find out why I'm not getting any paperwork from your office.
Let's give you a phone number for the warrant office.
What's that?
That's who you need to talk to. Can you write down a number, please?
For what?
The warrant officer.
Okay, and they're going to tell me why I'm not getting my mail?
I assume so, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can figure out why you're not getting it and how to get it and update your address and set a date for you.
Okay. Okay, warrant officer. And what's that number?
810.
810.
667.
667.
0314.
14. Okay. And that's...
Now,
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
when you get that, it's going to give you lots of options. Choose the one for warrant officer.
Okay. And they'll tell me why, because I don't want to screw up in court because I'm not getting my mail.
Well, it's not always the court's concern to update your mailing address. It is, I assume, up to you. But
yeah, I did.
If you get a voice,
I did that. I gave it. I gave it to John Miller directly. And for some reason, and I missed a court date. And I missed the trial date because my car failed. I had no way of getting there, and John Miller knew all about that my car failed, and I missed court. And then he instead of telling the judge that I had car problems, he said I failed to appear. Now I have a warrant out for my arrest, and it had nothing to do with me. My car failed because my court mandated Intoxilac interlock device failed for 16 days, and it left, and my vehicle wouldn't work, so I couldn't make court. And John Miller, I notified John Miller before court that I was having problems with my device, and I couldn't make it. And I notified him that I couldn't make it, and instead of telling the judge that, he walked me to court and said that I failed to appear. So now I have a warrant out for my arrest because my state mandated interlock device failed. That had nothing to do with me, and it was in the repair shop at the time, and it took 16 days to have it repaired. John knew about it. A week before because I sent him copies of all of my contacts within this device company. And instead of telling the judge that I was having problems, he walked in and said that I failed to appear. So now I have a warrant out for my arrest for no crime. It was a failure of my state mandated interlock device. Yes, ma'am.
I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
I would contact this warrant office, and then when you come to court, bring that paperwork with you.
Yeah, I don't even know. I don't know if I have a warrant out for my. I don't know how to proceed.
Well, you just said you knew there was a warrant.
Yeah, I was told.
Last name, please.
Oh yeah, I was told that by my court-appointed attorney. He's not my attorney. I'm acting as my own attorney, and my name is. I'm trying.
How do you spell your last name?
Oh, it's.
Just a moment, please.
Do you want the case number, ma'am?
Just a moment, please.
Okay, thank you. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Speak to the warrant office.
Okay.
If they do not answer, it's one person.
Oh, really?
Leave your name and phone number and the case number.
Okay.
Give her time to get back to...
Yeah.
Just a moment.
Yeah.
Give her time to return your call then.
Okay.
Today, tomorrow, I don't know.
Okay, what's her name?
But then I don't know her name.
Okay, Warren, I see.
But then bring your paperwork with you when you come to court.
I don't know, but I don't know when I'm coming to court if I'm not getting my messages, ma'am.
Or going to call the phone number I gave you.
Yeah.
You're going to listen to the option and push the button for the warrant officer.
Right.
You will speak to them, give your name and case number,
Right.
and reset a court date.
Oh, you're going to set it? They'll set it?
No, you are, sir. You seem to not understand what I'm saying is to contact the warrant officer.
And you said this,
leave your name, your case number. If she does not answer, then give her a day or so to get back to you. She'll give you a date to appear, and at that time, sir, if your car was broken down, bring that paperwork with you to that hearing.
Oh, okay, so you're saying that...
All right, sir. I have to answer another phone call now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, we'll see how that works. Today is Wednesday, May 25th, 2022. It's 1:17 p.m., and I'm calling the Lapeer County, Michigan Judicial Complex to talk to the warrant officer to see if I can get my hearing rescheduled. I got sabotaged when my interlock device failed for 16 days, and I couldn't get to court. And I just left a message, and I left a message, and I think I got cut off. So I'm going to call them over again.
Hello, you have reached the 71A District Court for the County of Lapeer. Court hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Press 1 for directions and the court address. Press 2 for traffic or criminal information. Press 3 for civil information. Press 4 for the probation department. Press 5 for warrant information. Press 6 for bond.
One moment, please.
You have reached the warrant office for 71A District Court. I am unavailable to take your call at this time. Please leave a message with your name, phone number, and a brief message, and I will return your call as soon as possible. If you need immediate assistance, please call the District Court main line at 810-667-0314. Thank you, and have a good day.
Today is Wednesday, May 25th, 2022. It's 1:20 p.m. My case number is 20. I missed my court date on August 26, 2022. I had car problems, and I couldn't make it. And I was told by Prosecutor John Miller's office to call this number to have my hearing rescheduled. My case number is 200. I'm having phone problems, and I left a message, and I think I got cut off a little earlier, so I'm calling back. My name again is Richard. My phone number is 810. Please call me back as soon as possible so I can get my hearing rescheduled.
Thank you. To review this message, press 6. To discard your message and re-record it, press 4. To send your message, press 5. To mark this message private, press 3. For urgent delivery, press 7. To leave a number where you can be reached, press 8. Message priority is urgent. To review this message, press 6. To discard your message and re-record it, press 4. To send your message, press 5. To mark this message, thank you. Your message has been sent. If you are calling from a touch-tone telephone, you may enter your party's extension number now.
Okay.
For a directory of extensions,
Hope I
press
get
9.
it.
For operator assistance,
Bye.
press 0. Thank you for calling.